Hello friends, today we are going to learn Armstrong number problem in Java. So let's start this video. First we need to know what is Armstrong number. An Armstrong number, also known as a narcissistic number, is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits. For example, let's consider the number 153. It has 3 digits, so we raise each digit to the power of 3 and add them together. Now let's come to our code. This is our simple Armstrong program. In first line, we import scanner package for input. After that, we define the scanner object with name scanner. This code will take the number from user and store it in the integer. For storing the number, we use scanner object with nextInt method. In the next, we make original number variable, which assign in. We construct this variable because after taking the input from user, we need to perform some operation on that number. That's why we store that number to another variable for particular time. Now we define another variable sum, which assign value 0. Now we use string.value method to change the integer to string, and length is used to compute the length of the string. Store that into number of digits variable. Now come to main logic behind this question. First we construct the loop, and this loop perform until the number will not become the 0. In the loop, we divide the number by 10 for calculation, the last value of the number, and store it to digit. Second, this line raises the digit to the power of number of digits and adds the result to sum. This line removes the last digit from n by dividing n by 10 and storing the result back in n. After closing the loop, we need to check that some number is equal to original number or not. After closing the scanner object, we run our program. Enter the number. Now understand it properly what just happened. In first iteration, n is 153 condition true. 153 divide by 10 give 3. 3 is extracted as power of the number and makes 27, and last n divide by 10, which gives 15. In second iteration, n becomes 15, which divides by 10 and extract last digit 5. And its power becomes 125. Again, n, which is 15, is divided by 10, makes 1 as a last digit. In third iteration, n is 1, and its sum is 1. After dividing by 10, n becomes 0, and loop is ended. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then like the video and subscribe the channel for more questions like this.